Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you guys how to analyze your YouTube channel easily, but not really proper. So here on YouTube Studio, as you can see, there is a Gemini or Ask Studio AI. So instead of your crawling into the analytics, download it on advanced mode. For me now, I would prefer to do using this AI because this AI like MCP, it could read your data. So for example, please review my RPM on last 30 days. Later, the AI will reviewing my request, and then also she will trying to get the data from my analytics. That's so cool, I think. See, supposed to be it makes accurate. I mean, supposed to be the AI written this matrix accurately. So, for instance, the decision making you can go through here instead of download. Even if not, I mean, not so reliable since we don't know in the background what the AI do. But the things is we have to do it fast. So let just ask very decisive question like how many videos per day if I want to get my views into let's say 100K. Like this, it would be the AI would be calculating based on your data. So this is very cool feature from YouTube Studio, and also this one I think not require API key or not taken your token on your Google account. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.